Today we are out in the nature and we are going to read a book that's called God Made Nature. God made the sky, He made the birds. God made the sea, He made the fish. God made land, He made the creatures.
Huh?
Animals. Very good, Carissa.
No, the bucket animals, not creatures.
Oh, okay. God made everything, and God made me, and God made you. So, what are you doing today?
Playing mud.
Playing in mud.
I love mud.
Why do you love playing in the mud so much?
Because I made
Huh?
snowball mud.
Snowball
And I
mud.
love it.
When did you start playing in the mud? No, don't you throw that.
Snowball!
Okay.
Snowball fight.
Hey, when did you start playing in the mud?
I don't know. I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Let's make mud castle.
A mud sandcastle.
Yeah.
How about just a mud castle?
Let's make some mud.
Who made the sky? Did God make? Very good. God did make the sky. God made the trees. And Jesus. God made the birds.
Jesus made birds too.
He did.
Hey, Mama.
Yes, He made everything. So beautiful out here today.
Yeah. I'll try to swim in my pool.
Nope, you can't swim in your pool. Not today.
You get my
What is in that?
hair.
What's it feel like? What does the mud feel like?
Soft.
Soft.
Feel.
Can I just see?
Just touch your hand.
Yeah.
Now let's from my lap.
Who made you?
Jesus.
Jesus. God made you and me, didn't He?
Uh-huh.
And we love Him very much.